the good-natured and the ill-natured. In a certain kingdom in the north, there was a small village called Araga. It was a village of miracles and wonders. All the things around the village behaved very strangely. Even the trees could sense the surroundings. In that village, there lived a woman with her 2 daughters. The elder one was a tough and harsh one, but on the contrary, the younger one was mild and simple in nature. Since the elder one was similar in look to her mother, she was more affectionate to her. All the works in the house were done by the younger. One day, the younger could not complete her works before night, so her mother beat her severely. She decided to run away from home. Accordingly, that night, she escaped from home and reached a forest. She sat on a rock by the forest and started crying. Suddenly, from somewhere, an old lady with grey hair and wrinkled face approached her. She asked, "Dear child, why are you crying like this?" The girl told everything about her to the lady. She said, "Come with me to my home, but one condition, don't laugh at anything you see." The girl agreed, and she followed the old lady to her abode. The journey was through the dense forest. The girl saw the trees giving way to the lady, and they again taking their place. Everything seemed to her being very strange. At last, they stopped before a hut. The girl identified that it was the old lady's house. Entering the hut, the lady told the girl, giving her a root to cook it. When she put it in a frying pan, it changed to different types of vegetables. She was astonished. At this time, the lady cut her head and put it in her lap. Then she commenced to pick off the lice from the head. Though the girl was frightened, she stood there without a word. The old lady fixed her head back on the throat and called the girl to her side. Then she said, "My dear girl, please scratch on my back. It is itching all over." The girl obeyed, but when she patted on the lady's back, her fingers were cut because the back of the lady was made up of broken glass pieces. When she cried, the lady blew air at her wounds, and they all were cured readily. She said, "You are a good-natured girl. Go to the hen house and pick up the eggs which say, 'Take me away.' Then go to your house, throwing them down on the ground. Your mother will accept you." The girl neared the hen house and picked up the eggs which told her to take away. As the old lady said, she broke the eggs, and there appeared a chariot and some other precious gift. When she came back home, her mother was very happy. She wanted her elder daughter to have the same sumptuousness So she told her to find the old lady. The elder girl found the old lady in the forest. She was so an ill-natured girl. Everything seemed to her to be jokes. She laughed at all the activities of the lady, even though she was warned. The old lady said, "You are an ill-natured girl. Go and pick up the eggs which said, 'Take me away.'" But the disobedient girl picked up the eggs which said, "Don't take me away." On the way back home, she broke the eggs, and there appeared a lot of snakes, frogs, scorpions, cockroaches, and many types of worms. They all followed the girl to her home. She was frightened and ran to her houses. Seeing this dreadful sight, her mother fell down unconsciously. It was the gift for evil.